Terence, and in this presentation I will be discussing the problem that I have identified and found a solution for with the use of Python. This presentation will begin by explaining what the problem is, then it will explain who it affects within the finance sector, as well as how I identified it. The presentation will also explain what the impact of solving the problem will be. What I have found is that it can take a long time to work out financial ratios due to the large amount of them and the moderately difficult calculations that are required for each ratio. This issue is particularly suited to being solved with the use of Python, as it is a process that will be done the same way again and again. This problem affects financial analysts that work on valuing and evaluating organisations, as these ratios can be used to work out the value of a company and how well it's doing. So it is necessary for financial analysts to be able to get them in the quickest and most efficient manner. This can help to create an advantage, as they will be able to create higher quality work product, as they will have better and more efficient data, as well as having more time to do deep diving analysis on it in order to create better presentations to the senior leadership of the organisation. This problem was identified by looking through the financial services industry in order to find pain points that could be solved using Python, and by speaking to accountants and other financial services professionals until a problem was found. To this problem was created in Python. When ran, it prompts the user to input the required data, either by simply copy and pasting the data needed from an Excel spreadsheet, or by manually entering the data separated by a comma or a tab. It works by creating an internal dictionary for how the calculations are done, and then working out and printing the answers based on what the user has inputted. This means that the solution is suited to most scenarios where the calculation could be completed. Will save time for these financial analysts and will therefore allow them to spend less time working on trivial and mundane calculations, and instead spend their time working on the more complex aspects of their jobs. It will also give them a better ability to make decisions, as they will have access to information that is calculated instantly and will never contain any human errors.